Hello everyone! This video is going to walk you through how to make a caramel pudding with almond milk. Yes, almond milk. This recipe is lactose intolerance friendly. Well, let's get started. We'll need sugar, eggs, almond milk, and vanilla extract. First of all, put 6 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 2 cups of almond milk into a large bowl. Then whisk to combine them. Next, we are doing a caramel sauce. Cook and stir 4 tablespoons sugar over low heat until sugar is melted and turns golden brown. The third step is to pour the caramel sauce into a pan or a small container, tilting to coat the bottom. Then let it stand for 10 minutes to cool. While waiting for the caramel to cool down, preheat the oven to 325 degrees, then pour the pudding mixture over the caramel. Next, heat water if you don't have a dispensing pot ready to use. Then pour hot water into a bain-marie, about 1 inch depth. Place the pudding mixture into a water bath before baking it to avoid overcooking on the outside. Bake for 1 hour or until a knife inserted comes out clean. Lastly, remove the caramel pudding from water and enjoy your dessert. Wait, how do you say caramel pudding in your language? Comment it below and let's party!